Trying to get 5 poodles into our car. Let's see. Good girl. Oh boy, come on. Good girl, Lucy. Who else we got? We got. Who's in there? Come on, Margot. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ash. I think you have to lift him up.
If we can get our Chloe in, then I will.
Okay. Okay, there we go. Almost everyone in. Come on. It's okay, Ash. Margot, be nice. Yay.
Okay, everybody's in the car.
You want to count heads? There we go.
I'm going to actually.
Make sure we got them all.
Let's see. Don't go anywhere.
I won't until the count is over.
4, 5, yes.
Is that how many we started with?
And we had 6 in the interim, but Chablis went with Sally.